Welcome to our video on how to use mirrors to make any room look bigger and brighter. In this guide, we'll explore the transformative power of mirrors in interior design. From understanding their magic and selecting the perfect size and shape to strategic placement and creative uses, we'll share tips that can enhance any space. Whether you're looking to create a stunning gallery wall or incorporate mirrors in unconventional areas, we've got you covered with affordable solutions and feng shui insights. Let's dive in and discover how you can elevate your living spaces with mirrors. 1. Understanding the magic of mirrors. Mirrors are not just for checking your reflection, they have the magical ability to transform spaces. When strategically placed, mirrors can create the illusion of depth and space, making small rooms appear much larger than they are. This is because mirrors reflect light and images, tricking the eye into perceiving more space. Think of it like a window into another world, only this one is a perfect reflection of your room. You can use this to your advantage by placing mirrors in spots where they can reflect the most light or the most appealing parts of a room. 2. Choosing the right size and shape. The size and shape of a mirror can greatly affect how it impacts a room. Large mirrors are particularly effective in small spaces because they reflect more of the environment, enhancing the feeling of openness. However, even smaller mirrors can have a significant impact if they are placed correctly. Shapes, too, play a role. A long vertical mirror can make ceilings appear higher, while a horizontal one can widen a narrow room. In essence, the mirror you choose should complement the room's proportions without overpowering it. 3. Placement. The key to success is where you place a mirror determines its effectiveness in making a room look bigger and brighter. Placing a mirror opposite a window is a popular trick, as it maximizes natural light reflection. This not only brightens the room but also creates a sense of continuity with the outside world. Another strategic spot is behind a light source, such as a lamp or pendant light, to amplify its brightness. Avoid placing mirrors on walls that reflect clutter or unattractive views, as this can have the opposite effect, making the room feel cramped. 4. Mirrors as statement pieces. Mirrors can serve as decorative elements in addition to their functional roles. A beautifully framed mirror can act as a focal point, drawing attention and adding character to a room. Whether it's a vintage ornate frame or a sleek modern design, a mirror can encapsulate the theme of your decor. This is especially useful in minimalist spaces where every piece of decoration counts. By serving dual purposes, mirrors not only enhance the space but also contribute to its aesthetic appeal. 5. Creating a mirror gallery wall. For those who love gallery walls but are short on space, a mirror gallery wall can be a fantastic alternative. By using mirrors of various shapes, sizes, and frames, you can create a stunning visual display that also enhances light and space. This is especially effective in hallways or entryways, where space is often limited but the impact can be significant. A mirror wall not only serves as art but also reflects the room back onto itself, doubling the perceived space. 6. The power of mirrored furniture. Mirrored furniture is a stylish way to incorporate mirrors into a room without hanging them on the wall. Pieces like mirrored coffee tables, dressers, or side tables can reflect light and other elements of the room, contributing to a sense of openness and brightness. They are particularly effective in modern or contemporary settings, where sleek, shiny surfaces are often appreciated. Just like wall mirrors, mirrored furniture should be placed strategically to maximize their reflective benefits. 7. Utilizing mirrored tiles. Mirrored tiles can be an innovative solution for creating a sense of space in kitchens or bathrooms. They can be used as a backsplash or on a feature wall to add depth. The reflective surface of mirrored tiles bounces light around the room, making it appear larger and more open. They are particularly useful in narrow or windowless spaces where natural light is limited. The key is to balance their reflective properties with other design elements to avoid overwhelming the space. 8. Incorporating mirrors in unconventional spaces. Mirrors don't just belong on walls, they can be incorporated into ceilings and floors for a unique effect. A mirrored ceiling can create an illusion of height, while a mirrored floor can make a space feel expansive. This is often seen in luxury settings but can be adapted for home use in moderation. For instance, a small mirrored section on the ceiling above a dining table can reflect the chandelier's light, enhancing the room's ambiance. 9. Mirrors and Feng Shui. In Feng Shui, mirrors are seen as tools for energy enhancement. They are believed to circulate positive energy and increase prosperity when placed correctly. According to this philosophy, a mirror should not face the bed, as it can lead to sleep disturbances. Instead, place mirrors in areas where they can reflect beautiful views or light. By aligning the use of mirrors with Feng Shui principles, you not only improve the room's aesthetics but also its energy flow. 10. Budget-friendly mirror solutions. You don't need to break the bank to utilize mirrors effectively. Affordable options like thrift store finds or DIY projects can offer the same benefits as high-end pieces. A simple frameless mirror can be dressed up with a homemade frame or by painting the edges. Even adhesive mirror stickers can be used to create interesting patterns or effects on walls. With a little creativity, mirrors can be both a cost-effective and impactful design element in any room.